Hello, guys.
I haven't said one, two, three. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome. It's me, Soul Red Chile, with another unboxing video.
A freezer
And
controller.
it's Frieza controller. It looks like the color of Frieza from
Let's
Dragon
have a
Ball,
Goku
eh?
controller. Let's
Yeah.
have a Goku controller.
Yo, shh. It's a secret. All right. Okay. So yeah, I just got this berry blue from the Black Friday sale pickups, and I also picked this game
And
as
this.
well. Yeah, the NBA 2K19 and the FIFA 19. Yeah. So okay, let's get to it. The back is so loud. It's ordinary. Okay. All right then. Let's get to it then. Could you hold this camera for me, my Ruby girl? Yeah. Thank you. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's get to it. Are you ready? All right.
Whoa.
Let's open this up with my trusted knife. Uh,
Whoa.
what do you mean? Whoa! It hasn't opened yet. It hasn't opened yet.
Oh.
Hang on.
Whoa.
What?
Look at
Seriously?
the O, square, etc.
Hang on.
Whoa.
Why every time I do unboxing, it's like always struggling with the stickers? Okay. Okay. Here we go.
Whoa.
I know it's kind of late, but yeah, as I said, I just got it from the Black Friday sale. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I got this for $49 Australian dollars. So yeah, let me just focus on this controller first. What do you think about the controller?
Cool.
Cool.
I like
What do you
Goku.
think, Pegasus, about the controller?
Mm.
Hmm?
Not kind of good.
Huh?
Not kind of good.
Kind of cool.
No.
No?
Because
Seriously?
I don't like purple.
You don't like purple?
Mhm.
Well, most of people do like purple.
Including you?
Yeah. Man,
I don't
me.
like it.
Alright, just so. I like a red color. Yeah.
Like my
Or
name.
white. Black, red,
name.
white. Yeah, those are my
The
colors.
name isn't
Yeah.
red. It's red. It's not red.
So yeah, this is very nice.
So
I mean, like
red.
the analog stick is
I'm
purple.
better than you.
Yeah,
And I found
so it's kind of
three
cool.
tits.
Yeah, instead of just black or the gray. Yeah, matte gray. Yeah. So that's the bag. Let's focus on that.
Whoa.
All
Why
right.
does it look like on the camera red, where it's actually purple?
Maybe I have an ugly camera, a bad camera.
But still, it looks cool. It looks cool, right?
Alright.
Whoa,
So
you turned it on.
yeah. So it's the version 2. Of course, it's version 2. It's the special edition for the PS4.
Special
New
edition.
one. Yeah. All right. So that's the control. The berry blue. Berry blue. Do you very like it?
Berry. Oh, I get it.
You very like it.
I get it.
All right. Yeah. So
Very, very
that's. I think this is a Frieza color because it's like this, and I have the.
Goku.
You guys get the Goku color, so that's why we have Goku here. Yeah.
And where's the Frieza one? Looking at Goku.
See that? So it's yeah. I guess this PS4 controller is Goku's color,
Blue.
Yeah.
Whoa.
and
red-
this I don't have Frieza.
Orange looks like.
We should get Frieza. Hey, yeah. All right.
And after that, Goku and Frieza can fight.
Yeah.
So you can play as them boom, bam, boom,
Okay.
bam. But Daddy doesn't do that. He takes care
And then
of
I have oh, I got 3 months stand. Yeah.
it. For me to show them that.
It's kind of like Netflix for the local here. Yeah. Okay. And also this. Would you open it for me, please? Yeah.
Me? Open this.
So, oh, it has two covers. Okay.
Oh,
What's
look at
this?
the back. Look at
What's that? It's okay. Play. Nah.
October.
What's this? Nah.
No, we don't need
Whoa,
any
there's
of
a cut. Okay. Bonus content. Okay. Good. I have bonus content. I don't know what it is, but I like basketball.
these. This one.
I don't really play NBA on game like on consoles, like basketball games on console. But yeah, as I said, I like basketball. Yeah, let's take this one out. So that's the cover, the back cover, which you can use it as a front cover as well. Yeah.
Can't believe they hide it from us.
All right, and then you, what do you have? FIFA 19 with Cristiano Ronaldo now joining Juventus. Yeah. All right. Open it up, please. Yeah. So that's
Lead.
Blood. All right. And yeah, I have what's this? So bonus FIFA 19. Okay, Ultimate Lone Player DLC. Okay. All right, which is kind of cool. I like any of the bonus content. Yeah. All right, so thank you very much, guys. You are all awesome. Yeah, especially the subscribers. Yeah, those people who have subscribed to us. Yeah. Thank you very much. And those people who watch this video. Yeah. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.